What's in there?
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
I'm going to open
Aw.
them.
Look, Daniel, you got some hats. Those are cute. What is it? More cars? Oh my goodness. Aw, how cute. Daniel, look at your new coat that Papa bought you. Look. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah? We'll have to try it on.
Cars.
We'll have to try it on.
Cars.
Cars, cars, more cars. What else is in here? Oh, chocolate. Oh my goodness.
And
Your Papa's good to you. What's in there? What's in there? Can you see? What's that? What is it? Can I see? What are they? Oh, they're balloons!
Yeah.
Oh, those are cool. We'll have to put them up. We'll have to blow them up. You know how
Yeah,
much I
but
love
can
balloons.
we open them?
Yeah, we can open them.
Okay.
Can you say thank you to Papa for all your presents?
Thank you, Papa.
Good boy.